In SMT production, there is a critical piece of equipment. Look, YAMAHA series high-speed SMT placement machine. This is a fully automatic placement machine in our Hong Kong factory. The YAMAHA placement machine is quality assured, plays a decisive role in production, and has a long-standing reputation in the industry. It can achieve high speed and high precision component placement. Look, this placement head is flexible and accurate and can quickly grab and place components. When working, the PCB board is accurately fed in and the feeder supplies various components in an orderly manner. Each component is accurately placed on the PCB board and the whole process is efficient and stable. It is the most critical and complex equipment in SMT production, which determines the quality and efficiency of production. The YAMAHA series high-speed placement machine continues to escort our SMT production.